touch the poop! Don't touch the poop, Zachary! No, don't touch the poop! Okay, we're back. Just in case those who didn't catch the first one, Oliver left a surprise for me. I don't understand how he did this. I guess the prunes. I don't know. Oh, Ollie Pop, you're disgusting. Why, Ollie? Why? Ollie Pop, Pop. Oh, mommy's baby. Okay, Papa. Okay, it's okay. It happens. It happens to all of us. Mommy's pooped before too. Yes, it happens. Yeah. You're still a good baby.
Even Olivia said ew.
Olivia has pooped too. I'm just gonna throw the whole chair, everything away. Not the baby. He's too precious and adorable. What happened? Use your big boy voice, not the Mickey Mouse voice, okay? Mommy told you about that. Yes, honey?
I ain't never seen a baby poop like that.
You used to poop like that.
Ew.
You still do poop like that.
I ain't never seen a baby poop.
Here go Brittany. Brittany, how do you feel about Oliver poop? She's pink. She's pink. She's pink.
I ain't never seen a baby in my life.
Allie pooped.
Poop and poop.
No. Zoe, how are you? We found out the hard way yesterday that Zoe is allergic to calamari. She went on Daddy's plate and took the calamari out. So we were in the urgent care, ER, whatever you call it, for about 6 hours. We didn't get home till almost midnight. We were all the way in another town and city. We were like an hour or so away from home. But Zoe's doing better. She's on Benadryl. It does not make her sleep. Benadryl gives Zoe energy. Zoe, I don't know. She's not a normal child. She's just full of adrenaline. Right, Zoe? Huh?
You're full of garbage.
Excuse her hair. This is trying to bribe her into let me wash her hair. But she really can't get it washed yet anyway because she just had the tubes taken out. So we can't be in water for about a month. Yeah. But let's go back to the story at hand. Oliver's poop. It's poop, you guys. Poop. Alright, so I'm about to go give Ollie a bath. And I'm gonna have to just throw the cover to the chair. Hopefully it comes off. Like throw it in the wash.
Mom.
Yes.
That's
That's not your food. You said you didn't want any food. You said you were not hungry because you had a big sandwich, Hunter. Yeah.
Mom. Yes.
Hunter, you don't want it.
Mom. Yes.
Zoe, stop eating ketchup. Eat the food. Alright, you guys. So we're gone. We're gonna go. I have a big poopy mess to clean. Okay, Ollie. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.
Ew.